Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jedi Baseball Training Academies. I'm Liam, here to show you guys a little bit of something different. How to play first base. I've done pitching, I've done catching, I've done batting and throwing, fielding, pop-ups. Now I'm showing you guys first base. I'll go over the rest of the positions probably in another video. Okay? So first base is a really important position. That's where everything is going to come from. That's where everything's going to go to most of the time. Okay? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set up. That's going to be my bag. It's an imaginary bag. I don't know if you can see it. Here, let me show you guys. Just so you can see it. Okay? This is going to be my imaginary first base. Alright? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up on this line. Now I'm going to get into my fielding position. Make the dirt hurt. Glove on the ground. Okay? Nice and easy. Okay? Now once the ball rolls to you, you're going to want to squeeze it in here. You're going to want to step on first base. Just tag it. That's if the runner is coming to first when you have no runners on. Okay? For a double play move, which is what often is called turning two, if you catch it here, you're gonna do a 180, or rather 720, I think. Whatever, 90. You're gonna come here, and you're gonna turn this way, and you're gonna transition to your throwing mechanics. Click here if you haven't seen that video. Okay? So once you come here, you're gonna throw it to second base. Then you're gonna hurry up and come back over. You're gonna put your dominant foot on the bag. Okay? So my right foot is on the bag. Let me show you this. You can see what I'm gonna do next. Just a little bit there. Okay? I'm set up on first base. The ball's coming back at me. I'm gonna get a nice big stretch. Okay? So that I can catch it here. The faster that the ball hits my glove and the less distance that it has to travel, the better. My foot's already on the bag, so as soon as I catch it here, boom, he's out. Okay? It's really simple. You just gotta keep that nice, long stretch. Work on it for a while. Sit in your room if you have to. Work on balance as well. If you can't balance out, you'll never be able to catch anything. Okay? Really simple. Now, for when it comes to third or shortstop, when it's not a double play, all you want to do is you're just going to run back to the bag, find out where the ball was hit to. Say it's hit to third base, so it's straight there from me. I'm going to take the corner of my bag facing third base, and I'm going to stretch from there. Now, often what many first basemen will do is they will stretch too early. You may be stretching towards third base, but if he throws wild, like if the third baseman throws way out there, and I'm already stretched here, I can only go so far. Whereas if I wait for the ball to be thrown, I can see, oh, it's coming out wide, so I can transition over to here. I can take my step out and catch it from there. Same as on this side. If he throws it too far over here, I can assume the front part of the bag. Obviously, I can't do that because it's a tall step. And I can catch it like here, out here. Really simple, okay? So that's what you gotta be mindful of. You gotta figure out where the ball is going before you take your stride. That's one of the most common mistakes I see all the time, is they'll stride too early, so that once the ball comes way out there, they can't reach over and grab it. Whereas if they wait until the ball comes to them, they can stretch out here, collect it, and get the out. That's the basics of first base. Make sure you hit that subscribe button up here. Check out my other videos right over here. If I mentioned anything about previous videos, they'll be in this top corner up here. I'll catch you guys later. See ya. Make sure you like and subscribe.